high lift wing with large flight control surfaces, providing exceptional maneuverability.
The aircraft is equipped with two 2,400 horsepower turboprop engines, each contributing to the aircraft's maximum speed of 350 kilometers per hour and a high power-to-weight ratio.
One of the main contributing factors to the success of the Canadair is its ability to scoop water from sources close to fires. It only requires a water source of 1.4 kilometers in length. Within 12 seconds, by skimming on the water surface, the holding tanks can be reloaded with more than 6,000 liters of water.
With the ability to reload from many fresh and salt water sources, the Canadair can remain closer to the fire during a mission, only taking an average of 10 minutes between passes. The ability to refill from multiple sources close to the fire and its 4-hour continuous flight endurance enables the Canadair to multiply the number of drop passes on the fire over other assets.
This can translate to as many as 5 to 10 drops per hour or up to 115 drops per day, depending on the fire's location. This frequency of drop passes makes it possible to quickly adjust to the wind conditions and progression of the fire.